video I'm going to be transferring funds from my Wirex cryptocurrency wallet to my Binance cryptocurrency wallet. Now I'm in my Binance platform. I've got a number of wallets on Binance. This is the one associated with my Gmail account, and this one is used by Algowave, who use the balance of your cryptocurrency account and exchange the coins for different types of cryptocurrency and take advantage of changing rates in order to grow your account. So I'm going to monitor the progress of Algowave over the next few weeks and months and see what they can do with the coin that I'm going to let them use to put through their algorithms. So let's have a look at what we're doing here on Binance. In order to find out what your wallet address is on Binance, very simple. Just go into deposit and it will tell you your wallet address here. So we can just copy that. At the moment we've got $174 in there, so I'm going to stick about another $200 in there and we'll see what Algowave do with that. So I need to go into my Wirex folder. I've got £216 in here, so I'm going to send and I'm going to send to a crypto address. That crypto address is the one I've taken from my Binance. So let's just put a reference. We continue. How much minimum amount available for transfer? I'm going to calculate this in pounds. I'm going to say £190. Oops, not that much in. That's £190. Just leave a few quid in there. So here we go. So I'm going to be sending. I want to send about $200, about 181 quid. Outrageous transaction fee on this. I'm going to look into this. I'm completely unhappy with the transaction fees. I know the transaction fees are not controlled by Wirex, but even so, I mean £27.61 to send £181. That just can't be right. But there's nothing I can do about that now, so I'm just going to send it anyway. Okay, so I'm getting a authentication and I've got a message on my phone and I need to put the code in. Oops. Let's check this. Messages. Oh, wrong code. Right, verification is 932059. 932059. Confirm. And it's processing. Shouldn't take long to process that. Once that has processed, I will need to make sure that it's hit my Binance wallet, and when I've done that I need to send the transaction details over to Algowave. So I'll come back to that in due course.